Hey, I'm Kirk with Lakeshore, and if you're like me, you want to ignite a love of STEM learning in your classroom. Well, I've got some hands-on STEM tools from Lakeshore that are sure to provide that spark. Let's take a look at the Building Bricks STEM Challenge Kit and start encouraging some budding engineers. With over 250 building pieces and 10 challenge cards, students will complete one engineering challenge after another, through trial and error. With either a partner or in a small group, students choose a card and start building. Then they test and rebuild their designs until they find a solution. Look at these creative solutions to building: a spinning windmill, a crane that lifts, and a working drawbridge. On the back of each card, there's a possible solution, but with so many ways to solve each challenge, this is a great tool to bring out again and again. Here's a hands-on tool. Students cover STEM concepts like gravity, force, and momentum as they build incredible chain reactions. The Create a Chain Reaction STEM Kit challenges builders to make a variety of chain reaction courses from scratch, using durable panels and connectors to create actions like switches, seesaws, and hammers. Not sure how to build a switch? Students can review the how-to book showing actions and reactions. With some STEM problem solving and perseverance, students fine-tune their courses until the ball reaches the goal. At the end, I like to have my students debrief with the class and describe what worked and where they had challenges in finding their chain reaction solution. It's a great time for students to listen and learn from each other's experiences. Here's a bright idea. For a hands-on introduction to electronics and robotics, it's the Power Tile Circuit Kit. Interchangeable circuit tiles snap together in every direction as students experiment with light, sound, motion, and other circuit-driven actions. The illustrated guide walks students through 10 amazing electric challenges in 2D and 3D, like a spinning robot, a car that moves only in shadow, and a circuit board of flashing lights. Students can also experiment with their own circuit creations. It's a great tool to accompany your unit on energy and electricity. Spark a lasting interest in STEM learning with these hands-on products from Lakeshore.